Hull City vs Man United live. Fire Carrick's new era begins. Rashford returns as Premier League kicks off. High voltage. CARICKS new era. Fire. RASHFORDRETURNS. Face screaming in fear. Man UTD live. Police car light. Police fire. Hull City vs Manchester United. Premier League 2026-27 is here. Manchester United have officially begun their new Premier League campaign away against newly promoted Hull City at the MKM Stadium. This is a major moment for Michael Carrick as he starts his first full season in charge. Red Circle big United news. Youri Tielemans and André Santos are making their competitive debuts in midfield, while Marcus Rashford has returned to the squad and starts on the bench. Rashford has also been confirmed as United's new No. 9. Eyes the big talking points. Carrick begins a huge Premier League campaign. Rashford is back and ready to make an impact. Tielemans and Santos bring fresh energy to midfield. Hull are back in the Premier League. After a 9-year absence, United are targeting a strong start after returning to the Champions League. Fire Manchester United are also closing in on Carlos Baleba, with a reported £65 initial agreement with Brighton plus potential add-ons, although his medical is still to come. Soccer ball, this is only the beginning. Every major moment, goal, substitution, and breakthrough could change the story.